come out. Alrighty. What am I doing? Making a mess here. I recently realized that in my tiny collection of vice grips, because yeah, I collect them. I don't have. I've never seen. I never bought one of these, so never had a reason to buy one. But what was the number on this? Vice grips number RR. Pinch off vice grips. What in the hell are pinch off? They are a pinch off draw. See, jaw. They pinch. You want to cut circulation to your optic nerve? Just clamp it on. But I'm assuming it's for hoses, not for optic nerves or anything like that. But if you, of course, I had a hose here a minute ago. Anyway, let's look for the hose. Nope, no. I just had a whole bunch of hose here. Let me check it. Where did the hose go? Where the hell did it go? Oh, anyway. Basically, these are Peterson Visegrip pinch off vice grips. They sell these, I don't know why, but you can buy like the new Irwin ones for almost nothing. And these ones are like some fantacular price on eBay. I paid under $10 for this. I probably could have used them on the bike to pinch the hose, basically hose clamp. It's a fancy hose clamp, is what it is. I mean, you could pinch people's fingernails with them. I don't know, pinch whatever you want. So yeah, they're no grippy. It's just round pinch. Just kind of pinch stuff. Yeah, pinchy. What's so exciting about them? Nothing really. They're just vintage vice grips. And for some reason over the years, I never really had a use for them. I didn't do mechanics and stuff. And all of a sudden I realized, wait a minute, there's a gaping hole in my vice grip collection. And it's the pinchy ones. They're just standard. I forget what size these would be. Those are vice grips. Anyway, they're the standard size. The only other ones I don't have that are the pointy ones, but they make they're called bent nose ones like these. Those are the other ones I don't have. I'm not spending $74 on one of these things because it's bent. So when I see one for $20, I'll buy one, but not $74. But these were like, I don't know, $7.99. I think it cost me whatever. So that's pretty much it. If you can see the original Peterson logo here and the original big vice grip logo versus the same one. See, this is the newer. Put my glasses on here. This is the newer vice grip logo, and this is the older vice grip logo. Kind of similar, but not really. And then on the other side is the Peterson Visegrip, and this is the vice grip original logo, which they took off. And the newer ones also say Irwin on here, because Irwin bought them out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. A little vice grip history. If anybody sees any of your weird vice grips, send me a picture. Thanks for watching. Toodles.